Hello, welcome back to the Rainfall tutorial. Previously, I have went through the introductions and what you can learn from the tutorial. In this video, we will create the dataset array and reference it to another class's main and create menu to display the questions and getting input from the user. Alright, for the new student who don't even know how to create a new project, you can follow this step that I did. Go to new project, C++, click on the 32 console. I'm just renaming this to Rainfall tutorial. Alright, so basically you need to know where this directory is, where we will be saving this project. So go to project and I'm selecting this one. This is my folder directory and click OK. This is setting that you need to make sure it is exactly what I did. Okay, so application is console applications and additional information. Because this is a C++ setting, we need to change it to C.C programming. So remember to create an empty project without a header, without any library, without any whatever. Okay, so just create empty project and next, click finish. Alright, while waiting for this to run, let's go through these tutorial questions again. The question 1 will be rainfall selected month and blah blah blah. The dataset, anyway, the dataset will be provided for you in the descriptions below. Okay, so this already loaded. So let's go to new and create file. We totally have to create two files. One is the data file and one is the main.c, which is for the menu and the function. So just click on this one, .c plus cpp. Anyway, we need to change this to .c. Remember, it's .c, not .cpp. Alright, main.c. Add. Alright, so this will appear. Nothing. It's empty. It's very empty. Nothing is in it. So sorry, I clicked wrongly. I will cancel this away. Add new item. This will create next we will create the data file. Data.c. Alright. So at first we need to just go to the descriptions and copy and paste the data set. Alright, so just pause a while and then you can go to download go to and get these data set. Okay, this data set. This data set is in data type will be double and the array size will be 31. 0 to 30. 0 to 30. Okay, every array always start with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until 30. And why we put 31? Because the day is 31 over here. So this is the array for this data set. Alright, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 until day 31. And that is why we do that. And because you see, did notice that the day is start from 1, but our array is start from 0. So 0 to 30. 0 to 30. Alright, so this is our data set. So at first we need to include our library, the C language library. Include this command anyway. This command include C library. Alright. So the first thing you need to do will be this one, define. This is very important. This later I will tell you why you need to write this out. Secure. Anyway, so just remember to type all of these out. This thing and this thing, the library. Okay, you can pause this video and type it in yourself. Alright, so why do you need this library? This library is a studio library which is to run the C programming Alright, to run the C programming language library. So this is a must. If someone asks you why, if your teacher asks you why, your school teacher asks you why, then just tell them this is the brain to let this program runnable, to think. Okay, just like that. The string means string.h means is a number of char become a string, become a string. Number of char like a p p l e. A is a char, p is a char. Add together will become a p p l e, becomes a string. Okay, so to extend this the data set, to get the data set from on this main.c, we need to extend double. Why double? Because the data type for this data set is double. We need to put double over here, and the name is gen. Alright, this bracket represent array. This bracket represent array. Represent array. Sorry, array. Okay, now need to extend again. We need to extend for January, February, and March. Feb. Okay. To do it fast, you can copy, paste it. The next one will be May, and then June. Alright. Why May, February, May, and June? Where's the April? Because our data set only giving you Jan, Feb, May, and June. Alright. So let's go continue. Void, void, main. Alright, void main. This will be our data. This will be the start of our project. So just click play. See, do you have any error? Let it run. They will generate the code. The software will generate code for you. Alright. Yeah. So you see, runnable, no error at all. So currently no error. Next we need to create. Next we will input the choices to pick which for the questions. Okay. And integer means number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Choice equal 10. Equal 0 also can, 10 also can, no preference. Okay. Char, as mentioned, char is a single alphabet, A, B, or C, D, E, F, G until Z. Okay, can be capital letter or slow cap. Okay, so month, we need to have the month 255. 255, you can put anywhere and anything. It's just that the string, this char is convert to a string which is with a 255 length. Okay, can start from this one. So we will do a while loop over here. Now creating a menu for them to input, for the user to input. We need to do it very fast. So if you have any doubts or question, you can pause this video and type it slowly. All right. So we need to create the printf. Printf means what? Printf means print to console. Print to console. Print this to console. Okay. Don't believe, you can run this and check it out. Do you see that? Print to console. This will print this thing, menu option for rainfall, blah 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 blah, everything down. And what do you, if you notice, there is a 9 over here. This thing, this code, or this special text or char is referring new 9, a new 9, starting from a new 9, a nice spacing, enter a space, and then create a menu. Alright, so you see everywhere, at the end, I will put a slash backslash n for a new 9. Okay, so now we have this. We can anyhow click. This will nothing happen. This will cause it to loop forever and ever, because the condition is choice more than is not 8. Okay, it's not 8. Okay, more than 8. Actually, by right, more than 8 will do. More than 8 or more than actually more than 7. More than 7, these were things will loop go out. The condition will be a false. All right. You see, so you put a 8, it will automatic go out. Less than 8, less than 7. Okay, so just do this. The condition less than 7 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this condition met, this will keep on running. This one will keep on loop until the choice will be more than 8, and the choice is this one, inherit from this. And scanfs means getting the input from user. Scanfs means getting input from the user, and it's reference to what, to which variable, choices, the choice. Okay, and this d means digit. All right, so let's continue. So once the person input, we need to check what question it is. To check them, we need to use switch cases, based on the choice they pick. All right, based on the choice they pick, which is a condition. On case 1, if let's say they put 1, case 1 will means that they pick question 1. Okay, question 1, what question 1 we can go to this one. Question 1 asking for, the question will be rainfall of a selected month and day. Let's go to our file again. You can paste it here. Enter the month to get rainfall for that day, which is Jan, Feb, May, or June. All right, we scan F S. This is to get the string. Get the string. Get the string. The S means string from the month. If you notice why this has got an N and these don't have an N, because this is an array. Array will got a reference in the memory. Okay, so you don't need to have a this one. Okay, it actually this is very detailed lah. Because you just need to focus on programming. You don't need to know the background memory things, so you don't need to learn. Don't actually, it's pointless to tell you guys what this N means now, and it's actually linked to the memory. All right. Okay, so after getting the input, a string which is asking them for June, May, February, or June, or January, then next step will tell, once you got this, we will show them, we will ask them, we will give them the questions. Our function will be here. This one we can just mute this one away, and then question 1. Okay, and then break, break. This will end, this will end the question 1, and then out of these switch cases. All right, so case 2. Okay, so this one we'll go to this case 2. Anyway, I already prepared all of this. You guys can copy all of this, and then take your time. You can pause this video and then create this menu. Okay, all right. So if you see the red line here, it means that there is an error. We'll go through one by one later on. Okay, so there's an error over there. If you notice, a day, a end day. Do you remember the D means digit, and this must be reference to a day. Okay, so let's go over up to here to create our variable. Integer day equal 0. Okay, this is an integer, so now don't see any error anymore. Okay, so question 1, we need to create a function called question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and question 5. This is a function. All of this is a function. Okay, so let's continue with this. Flush means erase the existing memory to clean it away, so that when it go back to that loop, it won't have any like any rubbish, or they call that rubbish, right? Last time my teacher said call that rubbish, that's why you need to erase away. But I don't know, I also not very sure why they call it rubbish lah. Oh, they say just the memory too full already lah. Don't, maybe the value is different is a different value when you go through the loops. All right, so just in case, just write a flush, stdin, and get char means before you close this everything away, before you close everything away, you will ask for you will pause for a while, and then you click any key, then it will exit these whole applications. All right, so now we need to create next step, we will need to create the function for this one, question 1, question 2, question 3. Okay, function int, you can put a void or int, no different. I'll have different. Int, you need to return the integer, return an integer. Okay, so just copy from here, copy, paste, question 1. Okay, so this one will be char link to m. This star means array. It's an array, it's a string. Array of char become a string. Okay, array of char become a string. That's why you need this one. Okay, so you just remember to return 0. So next one will be question 2. Question 2. Oh, this one question 2. If you notice that is a month over here, month. It's giving, this is passing by value, passing function is create a function passing by value to this function. All right, to this function upper string and question 2. And where do they get this month? When the when the user enter the value, the string for this one, for this month, which is Jan, Feb, or May, or June. All right, so we need to create question 3. All right, question 3 will be, is an integer. Day is a d is an integer, right? Is a digit. So the next step will be in int a integer. All right, correct, integer d. I will explain later on the next few video, which is next few episode, on what this function will do. Currently, we just do a temporary questions, a function for you guys, so that we can run this project, and then you can learn how what is going on right now. Okay, give you an input and the outcome of this project. Question 4 done, so we need to put question 5, question 6. Okay, so just rename this 5, and this one will be 6, six. So everything is done, and of course the last one will be um the last one, that last function will be the upper to the upper. All right, so this one is very important. For example, this one, the upper string, is a function. This is a function. Remember this kind of like text, right, with a bracket, I don't know what is this bracket or something. If the question with something like that, right, the pattern is not printf whatever, this is means a function. So this function, currently you need to create a function for this integer upper string. So why do I keep on return 0? What do this return 0 means? Zero, because your data, your function data set, data type is integer. That's why you need to return 0. Okay, so this is everything for this tutorial. Let's go to run this application and see is there any error. Okay, you take this as a practice. You need to key in everything yourself and practice them, so you will understand why you need to do this, do that. So click on 1, it will ask you for this gen whatever, but now we don't have any function. The function currently don't have anything yet. That's why it will just jump out. Okay, so just maybe click 5, just do a testing. display the month with minimum number of day of dry day, because currently we don't have any function again. So this is everything that you need to learn today for this tutorial. So I will continue with this tutorial question 1. Next episode will talk about question 1 and upper string. So that is everything for this video. Remember to click like and subscribe if you think this is helpful for your exam or your assignment, because the purpose of this tutorial, this whole video, right, this whole episode is for students who are facing uh, assignments or episode or exam, I mean exam. Okay. uh, Hope this help, and if you have any inquiry you can message me. I will leave my email down, and hopefully you guys like the video, and hopefully it's helpful. Thank you. I'll see you guys on next episode.